Did you know it is possible to recover data from your hard drive even after emptying the trash? I will show you how to restore deleted files in a bit with ease. We just need to know how deleted files actually work. If you were to move a file into the trash, you're able to restore it with no app. You simply need to move the file to where you want it. But what if you were to click on the empty trash button? You would not be able to restore it. Oh, so you thought. When you empty the trash, they're actually still on your hard drive, ready to be overwritten by any other file. You see, the file that we removed from the trash is only considered empty and can be replaced by any other file. This also holds true with USB flash drives, SD cards, and external hard drives. You can easily restore those files after deleting contents from them. Now, how do we get these files back? Well, with the sponsor of today's video, Anyrecover. Anyrecover takes advantage of this limitation of storage devices and allows you to restore any file with ease. All you gotta do is open up Anyrecover, let it scan all your disks, choose the volume with your data on it, enter your password, then let it scan all your files. It looks like I found a picture of Steve Jobs. I'm just gonna recover this, choose where I want to go. I'm just gonna put it in the downloads folder for now, press open and then save, and it's already done. I now have my Steve Jobs picture back. Anyrecover is supported on both Windows and macOS. I'll leave a link in the description down below that allows you to download the app. And thanks for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, share this with your friends, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!